In this video, we're going to talk about how FMT, or fecal microbiota transplantation, is performed. We're also going to dive into a new method of delivery, FMT capsules, or the more crude poop pills. If you don't know what FMT is, check out our video here. FMT is currently an approved treatment for recurrent C. diff, but based on how effective it is, over 90%, the use of FMT is being researched for a whole host of different disorders, both gastrointestinal, or GI, and non-GI disorders, including things like irritable bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, metabolic conditions, even autism spectrum disorder, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. So today, let's talk about how FMT is performed and how methods continue to improve to make FMT a more convenient, safe, and increasingly attractive treatment option. FMT administration is generally sorted into either upper GI, like through the mouth, or lower GI, like directly into the colon, routes of administration. The preferred route of administration for FMT, as well as what the most optimal route is something we don't know yet. Studies suggest that lower GI methods, such as colonoscopy, may be preferred. But the recent creation of FMT capsules, which seem to be just as effective as colonoscopy, and their, increased ease of administration and more appealing profile, have made capsules a more increasingly studied treatment option. The methods associated with lower GI administration include colonoscopy and retention enemas. Lower GI administration is used to treat recurrent C. diff, with success rates ranging from 84% to 93%. Currently, colonoscopy is the preferred route of administration. While lower GI administration is safe and well tolerated, there are increased costs and risks associated with the inherently invasive nature of these procedures, including bowel perforations and risks associated with anesthesia. For upper GI administration, the standard methods include nasogastric tube and FMT capsules. Generally, upper GI administration is faster, more cost-effective, and uses less stool than lower GI methods, and success rates are around 80%. While upper GI methods are not the preferred, the use of FMT capsules is on the rise. So let's talk about FMT capsules, or poop pills, which involve double or triple encapsulation of prepared donor stool and administered to patients orally. FMT capsules are minimally invasive, safe, and actually rated as patients' preferred mode of administration. Research has shown that FMT used to treat recurrent C. diff is highly effective and safe, comparable to colonoscopy, the current gold standard, with both showing comparable success rates of over 90%. FMT capsules are reported to have some mild, transient gastrointestinal symptoms, including things like diarrhea, bloating, and abdominal pain, but these pass on their own without any need of intervention. Adverse effects for FMT capsules are actually lower than any other mode of administration. Overall, FMT capsules may allow for FMT to become a more accessible and aesthetically pleasing treatment option, and may even become the standard of care when talking about FMT. At Novel Biome, we offer several FMT options, so we can tailor treatment to patients. We provide retention enemas, which are performed at one of our treatment centers, oral capsules, and oral powder. Our oral products are virtually odorless, tasteless, and colorless. And because they're partially freeze-dried, they're stable for storage and shipping. If you liked this video, check out our next video looking at, the stool preparations used for FMT. Or the age-old debate, is frozen stool as good as fresh? Yes, that's right. There's a debate if fresh or frozen poop is better, and it's actually vital. It can increase safety and accessibility of FMT when someone needs it most. Also, if you want to know where this information came from or read more about it, there's a link in the description to our blog.